What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Real quick, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up because I think you're going to enjoy this. And today's video, obviously, as you can tell what's on the screen, damn, look at my hands, they're black. Anyways, as you can tell what's on the screen, we are going to be doing a little tool review on Maxpeedingrods pipe expansion kit, or expander kit, or whatever you want to call it. It's exhaust pipe, intercooler pipe, aluminum pipe. We have some exhaust pipe right here. So watch the entire video, give this video a thumbs up because I think you're gonna like it, and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of car builds coming on. And I shouldn't say a lot of car builds, but we have a couple. So essentially what this does, if you guys can see, it expands. And we got two different pipes right here to show you today. These are exhaust pipes. So this middle one right here is actually a 16 millimeter. We're gonna go ahead and expand this just enough so we can get it to fit in there snug. It's not a 16 millimeter, oops. 18, okay. So with these ones, you gotta have them like in all the way, or else they won't expand the correct way. The outside will just expand, which is no bueno. See, so it's getting snug. Now maybe this big one could fit in by now. Yep, alright, and this is where it's at. Oh, we had our first malfunction already, which is not a good sign. Oh, it stripped the threads on there. Okay, so it stripped the threads. That's awesome. Well, maybe I could show you this. You're supposed to be able to use an impact with these. So okay, we'll show you with this. See how it's all bent and stuff? Look at that. What the f is this? Junk? Okay, well that's about all the expansion that we have. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is expanded just a tiny little bit before that one's stripped out. And then this one just broke. And this one, you can tell the stones, or whatever, the metal, they're already pretty chipped and gouged and everything. So, does this work? No, it doesn't. That was a waste of time. Do not buy this because, yeah, it kind of worked in the aluminum, but in this, like the actual exhaust pipe, it just does not work. Alright, before we end this here, watch it. I don't know if you can see it. You see that? Gets to a certain point and it just, the threads are all messed up. Let's take this off. And you can see it just stripped the threads. And you're supposed to be able to use this with an impact. You're supposed to be able to. This is the case that it came in. See, you got some extra things, which these didn't even fail, so I think they should have had some extra of those instead. And of course, if you weren't supposed to use an impact, they don't give you any instructions to tell you not to use an impact. Coming from Maxpeedingrods, I guess I should have known to take it a little bit easier, but yeah. This tool is junk.